Good morning. So we've just had a look through the diary, and this morning we have got a beautiful Labrador called Willow. So it sounds like Willow's here now. Here she is. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Hello. Hi. Oh, a really very nice bath. Beautiful. Oh, she's a beautiful girl. Good morning. Good morning. So Willow's going to have a good bath and a really good de-shed. Look at all that. That's without it being washed. Yeah, oh my goodness, she's got so much fluff. Right then, Pudding, let's get you bathed and ready. Willow is just a typical, beautiful Labrador who is very food orientated. Doesn't like to be cleaned. Gives you those puppy dog eyes all the time. And she's just an absolute love to have. This is only her second groom. First time she loved it, but then was like afterwards the picture said a different story. The side eyes, she's very good at giving side eyes, aren't you, Willow? Move over there a little bit, hon. Come on over here a little bit. Oh, come on, that's it. Good girl. That's better. Good girl. So, Labradors, particularly during the summer months, shed an awful lot. It's quite a popular groom that we do during the summer, along with collies, that their summer coats are all coming into play, and they really appreciate a good scrub. So I am using a Dirty Beastie shampoo, which gets rid of any nasty muck. We've got a second one there if it's needed. A lot of people do use a de-shed control shampoo, but I find these work just as good. And as long as you use the right tools and brushes, you know, you can get rid of a lot of that hair with the right techniques in place. Look at those eyes. Oh, this is like a lavender. Oh, you've got mucky ears, I'll get them a good clean. Collar, where they have the collars on. Yes, Willow. There's a lot of labs around here, so obviously we're over in just outside Kirby Longsdale now, and where I'm based on an equestrian, and there's a really nice stable manager is part of the Loonsdale Hunt, and he has got a Labrador, and he's got friends that have got four Labradors. They all came in a couple of weeks ago. Oh my God, it was absolute chaos in here. Yeah, so funny. 4 Labradors all going mad, running around. I got my lunch stolen off the side. It's my fault for leaving it on the side. Look at all that. Oh, can you see all that? Yeah, absolutely. Oh, you are getting a bit of hair wear there. Yeah, a lot of them are still used for the hunts. You know, for the shoots, underneath the belly, back, and you can kind of tell the difference in colour. It kind of goes like a grey colour when it's dead and needing to be stripped out or shedded out. Chewing it, Willow. Oh, I'm going to sleep there. I'm going to sleep. Julie, yes. No, Willow. Come on, relax. Relax. Good girl. There, you can sit down there comfortably now. No need for you to go anywhere, is there? You sat down now, old lady. Yeah, I've had some big dogs. We've had some big dogs. Oh, she's really falling out with me. No kisses. No kisses. Comes from. Where does it all come from? Where does it all come from? Oh, it's firing everywhere. Dogs. I don't think humans need to be